Okay, so I will make test now, and here for stop loss, I will use the last to confirm it, and I will use the three. That will be good, and target will be it's okay for ATR three, and close partial 1.5. Uh, all that is okay. Let's start, and I will set here for, let's say I want it from 1 1 and include it today. Yeah. Okay, I will stop here and I will load the chart. That's because we want the ATR moving average. Yes, we can see this one is not accepted, and it's not accept. Each signal here is happen. If it's not executed, it will explain to you why it's not open, because the filter was used. Okay, and each filter I will create, I will send you explain for each, that's short name for the filter. You will compare the reason that this filter is used for the candle. It must be, we have two options here, must be 75% the close price to high, and also the body it must be more than 60% of the whole candle. So that's filter. You can turn it off if you want. Okay. And if it's not explain anything like this one, because that's not valid, we have a touch here. Try to break this candle, and it's not break. It's close above. The next it will give a chance for the next one, but next one also it's not break. So in this case, it's not valid entry. If you want to change this logic, this point, let me know. So I can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, as you know, but as you want. But it's better when we have a break, to be a correct break, strong break, a quick break. That's increase the success ratio as I supposed, and we have a 2 bars, a chance to try next bar. But if it's not, then it will be ignored. Okay, this one is accepted, but we have this filter is refuse this option. We can control the body. You can make it 50%. So body must be more than 50% of the whole candle. We can change the value. In this case, it will be accepted this signal. Let's try that quickly. Uh, body. Okay, that's we talk about here filters. So that's filters, and the minimum, that's breakout ETR. Okay, and the minimum body, that's one. I'll make it 50. Okay, so stop here. When we have a different more than reason, it will choose the first one. But here we have another reason, which is an EDX. We can see the value of EDX here is less than 22. Okay, it's less than 22. That's why also it's refuse this signal. So if we have more than reason for filter the entry, it will, I don't want to write many text here, and just if there is any reason, it will write it. And now the reason is okay, as we decrease the body size of the total size is 50%, and it will be okay. But we have another filter, which is ADX. It's refuse for this entry. Okay, and here also we have a try to break and fail, and next one is fail, so it's refuse this signal. If you want to change this point, this logic, let me know. I can make it 1, 2, 3, 4 as you want. Okay, here also the same thing. That's first one, second one, and we don't got a break, so it will be refused. And it will not write reason because it's not by filter. This is by filter. I did not load it. Here's a chart, I think. Okay, so this one is by ATR moving average. So let's loaded the chart here and stop here. Okay, the signals, I think it was, we can see the signal was here in this place, I think here, and it's not entered because we can see the week average is high, is very high, and ETR is very low, so that's why it's not executed the trade. It's right, this one. Here is a false break. We have a touch and second one touch. It's not break it, so it's ignores the signal. Here also same way. So that's it's not enter this one because the ADX is less than 22. Okay, that's ATR MA. We can see here the ATR MA. The ATR is very low. MA is here, so that's why. Of course, you can turn off this option, this filter, by make it 0. Any filter we are using can be turned off. Okay. The overall, during my test, the overall is still good. I did not make a whole a long optimization or test. Just for the first time, it's good. It's not bad. On whole year, it's make a low number of trades by using these filters, but it's all win. It's just make a 2 trades, but it's all win. It's not make any lost trades. We can see this one here also. Okay. Okay, so here we can see it's open trade correctly and all filters is okay. ATR above moving average. We have the ADX is above the 22 and all other body of the candle is very strong, it's very good. And the close is correct. It's the first time, first candle break, that's correct. And it's hit the target using ATR. Why it's not closed here and closed here? Because ATR is go up and down. So here the ATR is go down. So we are using a 3 ATR. In this case, in this point, it's become here. So it's closed here. Okay. Okay, and here is ATX filter. When we check this one, it will be 21. That's less than 22. So I will escape to make it more faster. Okay. So each of these filters name you will see here, I will send to you as a table or as so you can see each filter what's mean. That's a short name because I don't want to write a long text on chart. And also the candle direction filter. So also here we have you can see the everything happen is written by in print here, so you know what's happened on each signal each time. That's ATR. We can see here it's not. That's ADX. Here is not make a correct close, a correct break, and here also. Okay, so I stop the recording. I don't want the video to be long, and at the end I will resume the video recording. Okay, so that's after it's finished. We can see the result is about that's a shorter time. It's just 1 year. That's 1 year. it's make a very low number of trades, but the success ratio is very impressive. Um, that's using 15 minute on gold. Maybe we have 29 symbol we can use or try. Basically, we can use also index, but for now we have about 29 symbol. We can try each of them. We can try each of them and try to make optimize to get the better result. And let's check the max drawdown. Okay. Okay, so the max drawdown is extremely low. It's seems to be it's not reversed at all. You can see the max drawdown for the open trades we tested is very low, but the problem now is the number of trades. We have a very low number of trades. So we can try to turn off some filters and see if that is it is still give a good result or not. And also I will try to also we if it's make a low number of trades, low number of profit, but it's have a low drawdown and good success ratio. In this case, we can use another number. We have a 29 symbols. So if we got let's say 1% per month as average for the one symbol, that will be very great because we have another pairs. If we take another 10%, 10 trades, 10 symbols, that will give us about 5 to 10% monthly with low drawdown, as I hope. But I did not, of course, test the other pairs. I did not test also the other filters. I will do that after I be sure that everything is worked correctly, and um, then I will start to make a test and optimization for the current symbol and other symbols.